Namaste. Let's begin the practice. Come to the tabletop pose. First we will do some wrist movement. Finger facing front side and rotate yourself clockwise and anti-clockwise few times. Your breath should be even and focus on your body. Fully move clock and anti-clockwise. Now slowly, finger facing outside and move to the left and right side. Relax and focus. Very well. Your toe should be flat. Don't make so much effort. Just move your wrist. Now slowly change finger facing inside towards to the body and move to the front and back. Very good. Now from here go back to the Virasana position. Now ankle movements or ankle stretch. You can help of your hand move your knee up and down. Then you can feel the stretch on your ankles and toes. Just do it few times. After that, both palm down, finger cup shape, and stretch your knee up and down. Very good. This is the good movements to give a stretch ankle and the toes. Now from here go to the downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Few seconds, relax here and maintain your breath. Shoulder blades open, wider. You can move your feet side by side and feel the fine stretch because of it's your first downward facing. So keep this very nice and gentle stretch. Now slowly lift the right feet and then bend the knee towards to the nose. Drop your foot between the both palm. Inhale, back feet, foot flat, knee down, and then both palm on the front knee. Now from here, curve your back, upper back, chin on the throat, and push yourself back away from the body. Push yourself. Very well. Then inhale, raise the both palm up, interlock your fingers, stretch upper body upside, lower body sink towards to the floor. More sinking down, more sinking down. Then exhale, drop the palm. Okay. Now from here, straight your front knee, come to the half split position. Good. Same what to do, round your upper back, chin on the throat with the help of your hand. Yes, feel the separation of every vertebra, upper spine vertebra. Cool. Now come up, move to the left side. Slowly come to the Skandasana position. First create a space between the both legs. You can move up and down to find a more space between your both legs. Now from here, take your both palm away from the body as much as you can. And same time, try to sink down your butt towards to the floor. Very well. Then gently come up, center. Now go to the full plank pose. Come to the toes, bend the elbows, Chaturanga Dandasana. Then inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Change the feet and do same with the opposite. Inhale, drop the back knee, back foot flat, both palm on the front knee, Now squeeze chin on the throat, round your upper back. Same, feel the separation of upper spine vertebrae. Then inhale, interlock the fingers over the heart. Same, upper body stretch upside, lower body sink down towards to the mat. Very well. Stay few seconds. Try to connect yourself with your body, with your mind, with your breath. Now come to the Hanuman Asana or half split pose. Same, round your back, chin on the throat, open your upper spine. Stay here few seconds. Connect yourself again with the nature, the most important thing. We are all connected. Just what need to do? Get yourself more sync with it. Okay, now come to the Skandasana position. Very well. Same, you can move your butt up and down. Create a space, find a space between your both feet, and palm should be more away from the body. Very well. Come to the center, go to the full plank pose. Again, come to the fully toes, then bend the elbows, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now lift the navel, lift the chest. Exhale, downward facing dog. Shuck your belly in, pubic bone active. Now bend the knees, come front between the palm. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Now gently halfway come up. Little bit bend the knees, all the way come up. Both palm on the heart. Now do some sun salutation sets. Inhale up, little bit arch back. Exhale. Punuttanasana, Ardh-Uttanasana. Then both feet back. Plank, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Repeat this sequence. Bend the knees, come front. Punuttanasana, Ardh-Uttanasana, then all the way come up. Do few rounds of the same position. Okay, during this practice I want to tell you about Panchakosa. I want to just tell you about what is Panchakosa. Okay, the first kosa is called Annamaya Kosha. Annamaya Kosha denote your physical body. The second kosa is pranamaya Kosha. Pranamaya Kosha denote your energy or life force. The third one is manomaya Kosha. Manomaya Kosha denote your psychic emotional body. The fourth one is Vijnanamaya Kosha, and the Vijnanamaya Kosha denote your wisdom, your knowledge, your kindness. And the last or fifth one is Anandamaya Kosha, or Anandamaya means, or it's denote to your bliss, your emptiness, your oneness. Right? This was 5 Pancha Kosha. Very well. Now last set of the sun salutation. Same position. Keep moving and try to get yourself more inward. More inward, then you will find more energy. More energy, you will find more flow. More flow, you will find that your prana spread through all 72,000 nadis channels, in which channels your prana flowing and giving your life. Yes. Now gently we will do from here a plank, 1 minute plank. Let's come to the plank position. The full plank pose, you must contract your belly inward towards to the spine. Shoulders should be open broad. Feet should be open about to the hip distance. It's depend to you. You want to feet close or open. Good. Feet big bone, shuck in, glutes, squeeze, tailbone towards to the navel. Fully relax. संतुलन बनाए रखें. Breath should be even during the plank. Knee cup should be locked. Just focus on your breath. Now slowly lower down your thighs. Not fully down. If you can, then don't touch your thigh on the floor. Okay, the same move we will do few times, like up and down. Come to the plank and down, upward facing. Come to the plank, upward facing. Come to the flank, upward facing. Come to the plank, upward facing. Come to the plank, upward facing. Come to the plank, upward facing. Very good. Exhale. Now go to the downward facing dog. And then simply to the half plank with the support of your elbows. Few seconds hold. Again go back. And now resting asana, balasana. Thank you everyone to practice with me. Namaste and have a good day.